Hi there, and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I am going to be teaching you Algebra 1, and you have made it to exercise number 9, the final exercise in this very long lesson on more multiplying polynomials. But each of these exercises were different in their own ways, and I hope you watched every exercise. But again, I congratulate you for making it this far. And it says in exercise number 9, using your knowledge of multiplying polynomials, simplify the expression below. So here's our challenge question of the day. And we don't only have 2 terms by 3 terms, we have 3 terms by 3 terms. So this is going to get messy. But we're going to multiply our first term times everything in our second set of parentheses, then our second term times everything in our second set of parentheses, and then finally our third term by everything in our second set of parentheses. So we're going to do quite a bit of distribution here, starting with x squared. I'm going to circle my terms. And I'm going to do each term a different color as well. So I have x squared times x squared. And that's going to give me x to the 4th. X squared times negative 5x will give me negative 5x to the 3rd. X squared times negative 24 will give me negative 24x squared. Now, if you're using pencil, I suggest that we now could erase this to get rid of this because we have now multiplied our first term by everything in our second set of parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that and erase this. And now I'm going to go to my second term. So I'm going to go to 5x now, and I'm going to multiply 5x times everything in the second set of parentheses. I'm going to go 5x times x squared, and that's going to be 5x to the 3rd. 5x times negative 5x, and that's going to be negative 25x squared, and 5x times negative 24, which is going to be negative 120x. Once again, I've multiplied my second term in my first set of parentheses by everything in the second set. So now I'm going to go ahead and erase that. And I'm going to continue on to my final term in my first set of parentheses, which is negative 6. I'm going to do negative 6 times x squared to get negative 6x squared. Negative 6 times negative 5x is going to be a positive 30x. Negative 6 times negative 24, and that's going to be 144, I believe, positive 144. And that is now our third term, our final term in our first set of parentheses multiplied by our second set of parentheses. So that is every combination. We have now triple distributed in this problem. But the last thing we do need to do is we now need to combine our like terms and see what our final solution is going to be. So to place it in standard form, I look for my highest exponent first. Our largest exponent is 4. So I don't see any other x to the 4ths. So I have x to the 4th. Then I go for my x to the 3rds, and I see a negative 5x to the 3rd, a positive 5x to the 3rd, and that's all. And a negative 5x to the 3rd and positive will cancel each other out. So I don't have any x to the 3rds. I look at x squareds, and I have a negative 24x squared, a negative 25x squared, and a negative 6x squared. And when I combine those together, I'm going to get negative 24 minus 25 is negative 49. Minus 6 more is going to be negative 55x squared. Now I look for my x's, and I see negative 120x plus 30x is going to combine to give me negative 90x. And finally, I don't have any other constants except for the plus 144. So I'm going to bring down my plus 144 there. And my simplified expression as a polynomial in standard form is going to be x to the 4th minus 55x squared minus 90x plus 144. Wow. You have now finished all 9 exercises in this lesson. And once again, I am very proud of you for making it this far in the videos. And I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, give it a thumbs up. And you're now ready for Chapter 8. Where we're going to do all of this, but in reverse. Thank you for watching.